Hello all, welcome to my channel. So in today's video lecture I'm going to tell you about how you can insert the data inside the table. In last video I have already told you like how you can create table. So in lazy updates database I have created this table in my last video. Okay, so in today video lecture I'm going to discuss about how we can insert this value. So there are two type of syntax by using which we can insert the value. So we'll understand it one by one. So we'll understand first syntax is like insert into and then table name and then whatever the column name inside that table that we have to put, and then we have to give the keyword values, and then after that we have to put the values, whatever the values will be there respect of this field name. Okay, so let's start. Like first we have to write insert and then we have to just do it this. Okay, then insert into and table name. So we have to specify lazy updates dot test because by default it's taking bit to bit. So we have to update that values in lazy updates table, that is test. So that we have to give like this, and then we have to open this bracket and then this column name. So first one is that imp id, then imp name, then imp department, and make sure you have to give the name exactly that is written in the table, because else you will get the error. Okay, and now we have to give the imp phone. So these are the columns, these are the fields, and then we have to insert the values. So we have given the values, and this again will open this bracket and then imp id. So we have given the imp id as a primary key, so it will not accept the duplicate value. Okay, and let's suppose I'm taking the name. Okay, then we are taking the employee department, so that is I'm putting as IT, and next is employee address. So let's suppose I'm putting it Delhi, and then employee phone number. So you can put any random phone number because here we have not given any constraint. Okay, likewise we can insert. So when we'll give the semicolon, so this first value will be inserted inside this table. Okay, so let me execute this command first. We have executed this command and now we can select this table. So you can see the first row is updated. In the same way we can copy it multiple times and paste it. Just you have to check, like when you want to change the name, let's suppose I'm changing the name here and putting it Nisha, and if we give the same id it will not accept because we have given the primary key constraint. So when I will execute it, it will say like duplicate entry key for the test.primary. Okay, so it will not accept it. When we'll give the 2, then it will accept it. We can check here like 2 records is already updated. So the first method I hope you guys can understand, and the next method is like insert into table and then values, and whatever the values we have to put directly. So what we have to give is like insert into, and again the table name we have to give, that we can give the lazy update dot test. And by the meantime you can understand why I'm updating as lazy updates dot test, because by default it's taking another database name, so we don't want to put that values inside that database. That's why we are specifically specifying that in which database and in which table we want to insert these values. Okay, so here the values we have given, and then we have to open this bracket and then inside it we have to put the value. So we can copy paste these values also from here because we are lazy person, so we want to make our work with less effort. Okay, so I'm giving 3. Let's suppose I'm giving the another name I'm giving it core department, let's suppose JSR, and the phone number is same, and we'll give it. So what will happen, it will give the another value, it will insert. If we select again this value, so you can see that the next value is inserted. So what is the actual benefit of this second statement and second syntax is like you can insert multiple values at the same time, like by copying paste it multiple times. We just have to give comma, and then again we have to give comma, again we have to give comma, and based on that we can update our records. Like I'm giving 4, then 5, then 6, and likewise you can give multiple record, right? Okay. And I'm giving this. So what will happen, this will not accept because we have to remove it, else it will throw error. So in this way we can insert 3 values at the same time, and we can see this by executing this query. So you can see these are the values we have inserted inside this lazy updates.test table. So I hope this both syntax are clear to you. If there is any issue, if you are not getting it, if you are facing any issue while creating these tables and while inserting the data inside it, you can comment me. I will definitely answer your queries and will try to regular to updating this video. Okay, and if you are liking it, please hit the subscribe button, share with your friends, and also give me feedback so that I can improve also. Okay, stay tuned with me. Thank you.